Canceling your Adobe subscription is really easy to do on a mobile device such as an Android or iPhone or any other device. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you need to go over to your internet browser. It can be Safari, Google, and once you're on this, you just want to go to the search bar and simply type in Adobe subscription cancel like this. Now, when you type this in like so, you just want to click on search and you're going to bring it up to this page like so. And as you can see, there's a link called Adobe subscription and cancellation terms. Now, these are just the terms, but we can actually access to cancel our subscription if we click on this page here. Once you've done this, you can actually scroll down and you can actually see all the different plan types. In this case though, we just want to click on any of these drop downs, literally any of these drop downs. And as you can see, they all have this link right here called Adobe account page. Now, if you just click on any of them, all of them have it. So you just want to click on Adobe account page and it'll bring you to this panel like so. And as you can see, assuming you have logged into your account, which you do need to log into your account if you did not already, it'll bring you to this page like so, where you can actually scroll down and you can view all of your subscription plans. As you can see, I have Lightroom, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro right here. And to actually edit the plan, to manage or change the plan, what you're going to want to do is you simply want to go over to the plan of you've selected. Let's just say I want to cancel my Lightroom. You click on Manage Plan. We want to ignore the other options down below. And as you can see, we can scroll down and either change our plan, upgrade our plan, or we can cancel our plan, which is what we want to do. We want to cancel our plan. And as you can see, when we click on cancel your plan, it will bring you to this page where from here, it just wants you to verify your password, where you click continue. And as you can see, now we can just confirm our cancellation just clicking on this button. And once you click on this button right here, your subscription will no longer be in effect. If you don't want other people to be scammed, please like this video.